Fredreka and welcome to Fredreka's website. Today we are going to build a birdhouse.
What are we going to build a birdhouse out of?
What?
Wood. What kind of wood?
This wood.
Yeah, what do we have to do first to that wood?
We have to cut it.
That's right. So we'll be back after we cut it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Go.
Hi, welcome back to Fredreka's website. And as you can see, my daddy cut out the pieces.
What sides are those?
These sides are for the roof.
The front and the back, right?
Front and the back.
Okay, and what are the other two sides for?
This is to like put it together.
Yeah. And how are you going to put it together?
You're gonna have to like hammer it.
And who's going to do the hammering? Me or you?
I am.
Of course you are. Okay, so we'll be back after you start hammering?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell the folks we'll be back.
We'll be back. Wait, Daddy, it's hardly even getting into there.
Let's see. Want me to get a little bit farther for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. Finish them off. Okay, hold on. Okay, you're doing good. Watch your thumb. You're doing good. Keep going.
Daddy, I haven't even said anything for the past few minutes.
Well, you're saying stuff right now. Keep hammering. There you go. Now work on the other one. Little taps. Gets tiring, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Keep going. You're doing well. Yeah, it makes you a little tired, huh? Okay, put those two in. Shall we come back when you're on the other side?
Yes.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody. We'll be right back.
Bye.
And we'll be right back?
We'll be right back.
Okay.
Really?
Really?
You need to get a close-up?
Huh?
Do you need to get a close-up without telling them?
Everybody wants to see how pretty you are. How do you know I'm recording?
Because I can see the record button.
Alright, you keep hammering.
Hi, welcome back to Fredreka's website. Now I'm putting together the roof.
Okay, let's see it.
Do we take it out?
Yeah, take it out.
And now we put it on here.
Put it on there.
Now we hammer it.
Hey, look at that. That's looking pretty good, isn't it?
Wouldn't it be cool if we put the door right there?
Yeah, we'll put a door in there. What do you think? Looking good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we need to put a bottom on it, so we'll be back in a minute, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me fix it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's fix it for you.
Like, say welcome back.
You can say welcome back.
Hi, welcome back to Fredreka's website.
Watch your tongue, watch your tongue. Put your hand over there. What do you mean does it have to be a surprise?
For the web show?
I don't know. Alright, hammer it in there. Watch your tongue. Good job. Do those two. We'll fix that. We'll fix that. We'll fix that. Okay, try this one. Try the other one. Getting tired? Ooh, you okay? Here, let's see the hammer. Okay, you ready to smack them in?
Yeah.
Alright, little taps. I'll get it. I'll get it.
It's more like a house.
Well, yeah. What do you think? What's missing?
A door.
A door. What else is missing? What's that thing called?
It's...
I don't know what it's called either. Should we call? We can call that piece a dowel, but if we put it in there, what's it going to be called?
like...
Could it be a perch?
It's a perch.
It's a place for the bird to sit.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. What do you think?
Sure.
Okay, so what are we going to tell the crew?
First you have to cut it off.
We are going to cut it off, yes. So, what's next on the agenda here?
You have to cut a hole.
Okay, and do you know what we're going to cut a hole with?
With a saw?
Kinda. I got a special drill. I have a special bit for the drill. It's called a spade bit. Want to see it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say goodbye to everybody for now.
Bye.
All right, tell them what's going on.
We're gonna drill a hole into
Are you fine with that?
yeah
You are?
into that bird.
Why is Daddy doing this part?
Because I'm too young to do it.
That's right. And Daddy's got his safety glasses on when using power tools, right?
Yeah. You don't need anyone to look at there.
I know I need a spacer.
You just need it to be filmed.
Yeah, but you don't have the camera on the birdhouse.
I know.
Yeah, looks like we got the motor home.
How do we get that out?
I don't know. We might leave it in there. What do you think?
Do you think a bird's gonna try to get that out?
I don't know. We'll find out. You better get ready for your closing shot there, kiddo.
What closing shot?
When you show your finished birdhouse.
I am getting ready. No, I'm not. Honey? Now we have to like, do we like nail that in?
Yeah, we'll put some glue on it. Okay. Come out and show off your... come out here and show off your birdhouse.
Daddy. Well, look on the right. What happened?
Those are my spacers. So hold up your birdhouse. Show everybody your birdhouse. Alright, so what's your name?
Fredreka.
Yeah, and what do we make today?
The birdhouse.
And what are we going to do next week with that birdhouse?
Paint it.
We are?
Yeah. Daddy, I see it in there.
You do. Okay, so shall we say goodbye for this week?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going to say to everybody?
Bye.
Bye-bye.